Hello there, my favorite student. Today we are going to make patterns. Well, let's come to one of the last pages in our book. Wow, we see three interesting patterns right here. When we see this, a few of them are colored and a few of the designs are already made. So, let's try making this better. We will require a scale and a pencil for this one. Let's take our pencil and make a sleeping line. And then let's make these dots at equal distance of 3 centimeter. Once we are done with that, let's start by making these slanting lines. Make sure both your lines or both your slanting lines touch the sleeping line in the center. Let's measure how much this part is now. Well, yes, we will put a dot at 2.5 centimeter. Complete making this triangle now? Yes, of the equal lengths. This is a three-sided figure and hence this is called a triangle. This looks interesting. Now we will start by erasing the parts which are overlapping. Let's erase this sleeping line at first. The next thing we do is start by making the heart. But let's take the center point of the heart and then make a dot right here. And after that, start by making a very big curve. Yes, on both the sides. This looks just like a question mark on the right side. Join both the question marks together and you get a heart. The next design is where we have to make wavy lines. Let's start by making the wavy lines now. And then start by making this mountain-like structure. That's amazing. Now let's start by making these ovals right here. This looks interesting. Once we are done with that, let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching the entire drawing. Do not sketch the overlapped part or else your drawing will look shabby. Make sure you erase it at first so that you do not get confused. This looks interesting. Now we will start by making these hearts. Well, yes, we will also sketch the drawing which is already provided in our book. Now let's start by making these curved lines. Yes, we have to actually touch it till the bottom line. So let's do that together. That's brilliant. And look at that, our design is ready. We will get rid of all the pencil marks which we see after sketching. Yes, we will use our eraser and erase it. That's wonderful. Now we will take our blue color and start doing this part. Always remember that you need to start with the outline first and then color inside. Go very slow while doing the outline so that you do not go out of the box. Slowly and carefully start coloring this part. That's lovely. The next thing we do is select a light green color and start doing it in these triangles. Again, we will do the outline and color very slowly. Make sure that you do not keep any white spaces. Let's do all these triangles in a similar way. That's brilliant! The next thing we do is go ahead with the next box, which is a maroon colored box. Again, we will draw a standing line at first and then start coloring inside. Yes, in one direction. Color all of these parts very carefully as they are very small. Use the tip of your crayon to do so. Go slow while coloring these parts. Yes, let's press our color and color nicely. If you feel that you're a little tired, not to worry. You can take a break and start again. Now we will switch our color and go ahead with a darker orange. After that, we will do the outline and color inside. This is lovely. And now comes the final part, wherein we are going to do magenta color for the waves. Again, it might be a little difficult to color inside the waves as they are very wavy and thin. Make sure that you press your color well and color slowly only after doing the outline. Let's take purple or lavender color and start doing the background like this. Do not forget to outline the oval which is inside this section. It will be easier for you to color this. Similarly, color these two parts. That's lovely. Now we will take green color and do all these patches. After that, let's color this as well. That's brilliant!